To activate your Cash App card, you will need to follow a few simple steps. The activation process can be completed with or without a QR code, and we will cover both methods in this guide. First, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device and that you have a Cash App account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before you can activate your card. To activate your Cash App card with a QR code, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap the Cash Card tab on the bottom of the screen. Then select the image of your Cash Card. You will see an option that says Activate Cash Card. Tap on this. The app will then prompt you to use your mobile device's camera to scan the QR code that came with your card. Hold your device over the QR code until it is recognized, and your card will be activated. If you do not have the QR code, you can still activate your card. To do this, open the Cash App and tap the Cash Card tab. Select the image of your Cash Card. Then tap Activate Cash Card. You will be prompted to enter the CVV code and expiration date of your card, which can be found on the card itself. Enter this information, and your card will be activated. It is essential to note that you must be at least 18 years old to activate a Cash App card, and you must have a valid government-issued ID. You will also need to have a verified account, which requires you to provide your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once your card is activated, you can use it to make purchases online or in store, and you can also use it to withdraw cash from an ATM. It is crucial to keep your card and account information secure, so make sure to use strong passwords and keep your account monitored for any suspicious activity. In conclusion, activating your Cash App card is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Whether you use the QR code or enter the card details manually, you will be able to start using your card right away. Remember to always keep your account and card information secure, and to monitor your account regularly to prevent any potential issues.